my bachelor's, it was always my dream to work for a Fortune 500 company.
It feels so proud to be part of Indian Oil with the maximum market share and the largest number of retail outlets across the country.
Indian Oil gives me the freedom to explore and put my ideas to work.
Sourcing crude oil is not just anybody's job. Thanks to Indian Oil, I specialize in it.
Driving Bowsers, carrying thousands of liters of fuel and refueling aircrafts gives me a sense of power.
At Indian Oil, sky is the limit. If you have a unique idea, seniors will encourage you to implement it.
As a production engineer here at Panipat Refinery, it is my job to ensure that the best quality products goes out of this refinery.
I feel proud to work in India's biggest PSU, Indian Oil Aviation Fuel Station. I really feel happy and satisfied when I see aircraft flying and people reaching to their destination.
I take great pride in working for Indian Oil and deliberated on various technologies, and being part of new research is something that keeps me motivated.
My ideas are encouraged and I'm always challenged to think beyond the traditional ideas.
Being a petroleum engineer, Indian Oil has given me exposure to field operations as well as opportunity to work on simulation.
Being an instrumentation engineer, all the labs at Indian Oil R&D Center are like my playground, and keeping all these instruments in good health is my priority.
Indian Oil has provided millions of free LPG connections over the last 2 years under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana.
Indian Oil deploys newer technology in our daily work culture.
I have been part of programs like smokeless villages through use of LPG.
You can see true teamwork in action at Indian Oil.
I'm happy to be part of Energy Next, happy to be an IOCN.